Okay, if you garden at all, you need to see this. I usually dread weeding and planting because my knees and back aren't as young as they used to be and they would start hurting me, but this will completely change that for me. This foldable garden kneeler is one of those things you don't know you need until you use it. It comes with a large tool handbag that has 8 pockets and a tool pouch as well as some gardening gloves, and the tool pouch nicely slips over the kneeling bench, which is perfect for me to keep my clippers, gloves, and everything else close so I'm not constantly getting up to grab tools. This is way more comfortable than kneeling directly on the ground. I can actually stay out here longer without feeling pain in my joints. The padding is really nice and comfortable and thick. It's also super sturdy. I feel really stable using it, and it supports a good amount of weight, which is also important. And what I love is not only is it a kneeler, but you can easily flip it into a seat. So when I need a break, I just turn it over and take a seat and rest. No getting up and down awkwardly. And when I'm all done for the day, it's really easy to fold back up and store thanks to the quick folding mechanism on either side. If you garden, have parents who garden, or just hate kneeling on the hard ground when doing different projects, this is such a good find. And I appreciate Aimerla sending it over for me to try out.